Okay, it's just gonna be a quick video. I've got some 5-round AK magazines, and I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to convert them to a 10-round magazine without cutting the magazine spring, which will obviously weaken the spring and could cause feeding problems. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the follower about an inch. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so here I got one of the 5-round magazines, as you can see. I'll make sure it stays in the camera. Go ahead and load 5 in there to show you that it's a 5-round double stack. Hopefully we'll turn this into a 10-round. What was that? 3, 4, 5, and it shouldn't get a 6th in there. It doesn't. So there you go. Okay, we're gonna take this magazine apart, take the follower out. Let me redo the camera here. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the magazine apart. Take our 4-plate off. Try to do this without shooting anything across the room. Take our spring out. And here's our follower right here. So I'm thinking, I think I read somewhere if you take an inch off, only an inch, that it'll give you a 10-round capacity. So we'll give that a shot. Get the spring out of here. And here's our follower. Okay, so I've measured an inch on it all the way around, and that's the amount we're going to take off. It's kind of it's kind of angled. It's not the word I'm looking for. As you can see there now, so just make sure you like measure an inch on this side and then an inch on that side, and then draw a line because it's going to be a little bit it's not, I guess, angled, for lack of a better word. So we'll go cut that off. Okay, excuse my messy workbench. This thing over here is going to be I'm building a rifle cabinet. So I might show that after I'm done with it. I'm trying to figure out what to do for the sides and stuff, like maybe wood, or I think sheet metal will make it too heavy. But anyway, got any suggestions, leave them in the comment below. We'll go ahead and get started on cutting this. I'll try to cut it as even as possible. It's not going to be that big a deal. Okay, we'll let this cool down a little bit, and I'll file the rough edges. Yeah, it's actually cooled already. We'll go ahead and file the edges just because. Okay, I'm just gonna file these rough edges off. Maybe slap a little bit of Rust-Oleum on there and be done with it. That's the corner I didn't get even. Yeah, that should do it. We'll get it all cleaned out. Spray a shot of paint on it. Okay, we got it all painted. File down. So that's how it goes back in there. In case you don't know. Okay, I'll put it back in. Make sure I got it in the right way. Fork a little bit. Yeah. There it goes. I don't know if I did that on camera or not even. There it goes. And we'll slide it back on there. Goes. Alright, yep. Then we'll load it up and see if we can get 10 in there. Okay, now the test here. Just make this a little even here. On camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's our original 5. 6, 7. Let me grab some more rounds here. 8, 9, 10. Let's see if it'll fit 11. Oh, 10 on the money. And like I said, we did an inch off the follower. So anyway, just a quick little hack, whatever you want to call it. If you got some of these 5-round AK magazines laying around, they're nice for like bench shooting or whatever. So you don't have that 30-round banana mag in your way. But anyway, if you got some 5-rounders, no reason not to convert them to 10. So thanks for watching.